Firstrade Honest Review, watch before using. Today, we're reviewing Firstrade, a popular US-based online brokerage. It's known for offering commission-free trades on stocks, ETFs, options, and mutual funds. So what makes Firstrade stand out? First, it's ideal for both beginners and experienced traders looking for a cost-effective platform. You get access to a wide range of investment options, including international markets, without worrying about hidden fees. Firstrade also provides useful tools like stock screeners, advanced charting, and research reports from Morningstar and Briefing.com, making it easier to analyze potential investments. Firstrade's mobile app is user-friendly, allowing you to manage your portfolio on the go. However, it's worth mentioning that its app lacks some of the advanced features you might find on competitors like TD Ameritrade or E-Trade. If you're a highly active trader looking for complex tools like algorithmic trading or advanced order types, Firstrade may not be the best fit. But for most casual investors and beginners, the simple interface and commission-free structure make it a solid choice. Another key feature is the lack of account minimums, making Firstrade accessible for those who are just starting out with limited capital. Plus, it offers retirement accounts, IRAs, with no maintenance fees, making it a great choice for long-term investors. However, it's important to note that Firstrade's customer service can be hit or miss. While they offer phone, email, and live chat support, responses aren't always timely, which could be frustrating if you need immediate help. In terms of educational resources, Firstrade provides a library of tutorials and webinars, though it's not as comprehensive as what you'll find with larger brokers. If you're a beginner, you might feel the learning curve, but overall, it's sufficient to get you started. In summary, Firstrade is a great platform for investors looking for commission-free trading, basic tools, and low costs. It's perfect for beginners and long-term investors, but if you need advanced features or quick customer support, you might want to explore other options.